There is no good timing to settle any case, particularly one as complex and as involved and sensitive as this.
The Minneapolis city attorney defending the recent decision to award $27 million to George Floyd's family.
Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Kelsey Carlson.
And I'm Amy Hockert. That settlement has impacted this jury selection, with several jurors saying they can't remain impartial after hearing the news.
And Fox 9's Paul Bloom is covering this trial for us. Paul, despite a few setbacks from yesterday, there was more progress made today.
Kelsey and Amy, quite a bit of progress. 3 additional jurors have been seated, bringing this jury total at this point to 12. Of course, the court looking for 14, 12 to deliberate, and 2 alternates. But it shouldn't surprise anybody if you've tuned into the live stream of this jury questioning process. The first question all these prospective jurors are getting is whether or not they've heard anything about the recent $27 million civil settlement and whether it would impact their ability to serve impartially. Well, today reporters got a chance at City Hall to grill some of the officials about why they announced it right in the middle of jury selection.
There's no guarantee, for instance, that that deal would be available 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks from now or 6 months from now. And we decided to move forward with the Floyd family when all was said and done.
Well, city officials there disputing the notion that the settlement has adversely impacted the criminal case. Of course, 2 previously seated jurors were dismissed on Wednesday because of their knowledge of it and how it was likely to influence their impartiality in the courtroom. Late today, you may have heard Judge Cahill exploding. He clearly frustrated by all the talk of the civil settlement. As for today's jury selection, 2 new jurors seated. Number 91, a black retired grandmother who at one point in her life lived pretty close to 38th and Chicago, as well as juror 89. Here she is, a nurse from Medina.
Pay is terrible, right, to be a juror. It's a hard job. It requires a lot of attention. Why should you be a juror on this case?
I think I can be impartial and listen to instructions and go with what I'm given and ignore the outside stuff.
Ignore that outside stuff. Going to be hard to do. Here's a look at the jury makeup at this point. 12 folks on this jury, 7 women. We've shifted now female heavy, 5 men, 6 people of color, so 6 and 6 straight down the middle there, and just 2 left before opening statements. Amy, currently scheduled for March 29th.
And Paul, we are waiting on some pretty big rulings tomorrow by Judge Cahill. What can you tell us about those?
Yep, he's put off 3 huge rulings for tomorrow morning. We will get them. 2 defense motions based on pretrial publicity. One to move the case out of Hennepin County. Another one just a general overall delay. He's also got to weigh in on some critical evidence that George Floyd prior arrest with MPD, where there's some body camera footage that the defense says shows some very similar behaviors between Floyd's interaction with police a year before his death. Obviously important to the defense and the prosecution. If that evidence gets in, we'll of course have it all for you tomorrow morning.
It'll be a big morning, Paul. Thank you.
Well, we are streaming all of the jury selection proceedings on our website, fox9.com, our Facebook page, and our news app. Plus, when the trial begins on Monday, March the 29th, we will air everything gavel to gavel right here on Fox 9.